What do we got? We got straws, different shapes. What shape is this? What is that?
Star.
Yeah. Do you know what that is, Pumpkin?
Okay.
It's a star. Okay, let's see what we can do. All right, Dada's gonna pour some bubbles in here, but you gotta be careful with it, okay? Now we gotta be careful. We don't want to spill bubbles. Get ready. Here's the star one. Okay, here we go. You ready? Okay. Blow. Blow. Look, you blew a bubble. Do you want to blow again? Do you? Blow.
Bubbles. No. Yuck. Yuck.
Nice. Pyramid bubble. Do you need help? Here, you hold it. Let's try this little one. Are you ready? Oh, don't touch. You can't touch it.
Yay!
Yeah, don't pop it. Yeah. Ow! You little turkey.
Ouch!
You're so mean. So mean! Just let me blow a bubble! Alright. Blow.
Bubbles! Bye-bye! Yeah.
Ah!